guys, I'm Aurora, and in the previous lesson we looked at the name of objects that we can find in our bathroom. Today we're gonna look at the names of objects that we can find in our kitchen. So first we're gonna learn the singular, and then we're gonna look at the plurals. So tazza is mug, piatto is plate, pentola is pot, padella is a cooking pan, coperchio is lid, like of a container, scodella is bowl, tazzina is coffee cup, coltello is knife, cucchiaio is spoon, forchetta is fork. So now let's look at the plurals. So tazze, cups, piatti, plates, pentole, pots, padelle, cooking pans, scodelle, bowls, tazzine, coffee cups, coltelli, knives, cucchiai, spoons, and forchette, forks. So in the next lesson we will learn what we can find in our fridge. So we will learn some foods, the name of some foods. And I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!